the sample supplied. Here we see an example of how the foil should look at the completion of the test. Note that there is an even spread of small holes over the foil. This is an indication that the test is successful and the machine is now ready for use. Not all water conditions are the same, and some water may need additional degassing to produce a successful foil test. Here we see an example of a poor foil test. Note that the holes are large and concentrated into one area. If your foil does not have an even spread of small holes, refer to the section on foil test in your manual. With a successful foil test, the Soniclean S2800 irrigator is now ready for use. Once the instruments have been prepared as per hospital procedures, they can be loaded into the ultrasonic cleaning tray. The tray can be either loaded on a bench, over a sink, or over the tank by using the T-bar of the cleaning tray of the S2800 irrigator. Dismantle the instruments and insert the nozzle end of the cannulated instruments into the holders. The holders can be raised into a vertical position and then lowered once the instruments are in place, resting them on the plastic racks. Other non-cannulated instruments can be placed loose in the bottom of the tray, or as we see here, placed in a container. The following animation shows how the cleaning solution passes through the ports and along the hollow instruments. If any of the ports are unused, they should be placed in the vertical position. This closes off the port, thereby increasing the flow of solution to the remaining ports still in use. Gently lower the tray into the tank. The T-bar should now be parallel with the front of the machine. As you lower the tray into the tank, ensure that the spigot in the tank aligns and locks into the tray. Now close the lid. To commence the cleaning cycle, press the Clean key on the control panel. The machine is programmed with a default setting of a 10-minute cleaning cycle. However, you can reprogram the machine to suit your requirements by referring to the manual. Should an instrument dislodge during a cleaning cycle, you may pause the operation simply by lifting the lid. Then it is a simple case of replacing the instrument and lowering the lid. The machine will automatically resume the cycle. At the end of the clean cycle, 5 beeps will sound and the control panel display will show 4 bars. This signifies that the cleaning process is complete. At the end of the clean cycle, lift the lid and remove the tray. By turning the T-bar, you can sit the tray on the edge of the tank and drain the tray over the tank. Remove and inspect the instruments and rinse under clean running water. The instruments are now ready for sterilising. Any instruments that are not clean can be returned to the tray and put through a second cleaning cycle. The Soniclean S2800 irrigator will automatically empty the cleaning solution after a predetermined number of cleans. The factory default setting and recommended number of cleans is 10. After the 10th clean, the machine will automatically drain and the word END will appear on the display panel. If you wish to continue cleaning, simultaneously press and hold the Shift and Refill keys until the machine beeps. Release the keys and the machine will automatically drain, flush, drain the flush, refill and degas. Once again, we recommend that you complete a foil test to ensure effective degassing and that the correct mixture of cleaning solution has been injected. You can use the Soniclean S2800 irrigator to clean non-cannulated instruments. However, to save water and cleaning solution, we recommend that the irrigator function be deactivated. To clean non-cannulated instruments, place the instruments in the bottom of the tray and lower the tray into position. Close the lid and press the Clean key. Then, deactivate the irrigate function by pressing the irrigate key on the control pad. The red light will disappear, indicating that this function is off. To restart the irrigate function, simply press the irrigate key again. The red light will reappear, showing that the function has reactivated. The default setting for the cleaning cycle is with the irrigator function on, so that if you use the Soniclean S2800 irrigator with irrigator function deactivated, the next time you use the machine and press the Clean button, the irrigator function will automatically be activated. As mentioned before, the machine will automatically go into a degas mode after every fill. If further degassing is required, simply press the degas key on the control panel. The display will flash degas and show a countdown time to completion. At the end of the degas cycle, the machine will emit an audible beep. To stop the degas function, press the key again and the machine will stop degassing. To drain the tank at any time, simultaneously press the shift and drain keys on the control panel and hold for 3 seconds. The machine will beep, release the keys, and the machine will drain the tank in approximately 2 minutes. Once the machine is empty, the display panel will show off. To restart the Soniclean S2800 irrigator, you must reset the on-off switch on the side of the machine. To drain and refill the machine, simultaneously press and hold the shift and refill keys for 3 seconds. The machine will emit a beep, release the keys, and the machine will now automatically drain, flush, drain the flush, refill and degas.